spicy, just the right one. You ready? You ready to make your fellow Kamalignoans proud? So I have the questions here at my left hand. All you have to do is to pick one. Okay? Your question is, in what way will you contribute to tourism as a beauty queen? Again, your question, in what way will you contribute to tourism as a beauty queen?
As a beauty queen with a convincing aura, I believe I have various platforms I can use to be able to promote tourism in my own province. Because I believe my own province has its own uniqueness, its own exotic beauty, and I want to share it to the world and make my fellow Kamiliganians proud. And as a beauty queen, I believe that is one of our major responsibilities, because once you bear the crown, you have to be able to bear its responsibilities as well. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 1, Eric Ann Bermas. What do you think is the main obstacle that the Philippines faces or facing when it comes to tourism? And how do you think you can help solve the problem? Again, the question is, what do you think is the obstacle our country, the Philippines, is facing when it comes to tourism? And how do you think you can help solve the problem?
First and foremost, one of the problems that the Philippines faces in terms of tourism is proper waste management. It is really important for us to make use of our natural resources through sustainable tourism. We have to give everything back what we are taking from the environment. Because if we don't do this, it will result to environmental problems like climate change, land and air pollution, and declining ecosystem health. We have to remember that sustainable development in tourism is important so that we will be able to give chance to the future generations in making use of the environment and giving them the chance to meet their own needs. The earth doesn't belong to us. We humans belong to us.
Number 2, thank you. Question, how does ecotourism contribute to the protection of the environment?
Ecotourism contributes to the protection of the environment by the activities and all the slogans that we can see in the social media, like Clean Green program and the No Green project. And by that activity, we are all encouraged to be part of that activity. And by that activity of the ecotourism, with that simple act, we are protecting or we are saving the environment. Thank you.
Thank you so much to you. How would you encourage young girls to pursue their dreams and overcome societal stereotypes? Again, your question, how would you encourage young girls to pursue their dreams and overcome societal stereotypes?
As someone who experienced being bullied, and as someone who has an advocacy about anti-bullying campaign, I would encourage everyone to not just be afraid to reach your dreams. Because it's all about poise and composure, knowing that we can please anyone. And no matter what we do, there are people who will fight for it. That's why I want to encourage everyone to always do your best in everything that you do, and always be thankful for all the blessings that you receive. Because no matter what happens, as long as you have to believe in yourself and you are thankful for everything, no amount of bullying, discrimination, or stereotypes will ever bring you down. That will be all. Thank you.
Well, I was blown away. Thank you so much. Mutya number 4. One of the titles, how would you use it to advocate for environmental sustainability? Again, your question. If you win one of the titles, how would you use it to advocate for environmental sustainability?
Thank you for that wonderful question. if I won one of the titles right now, I would use my platform to advocate for tourism and sustainable tourism. How? By using the social media platforms. We are now in the digital era. All of us are exposed to social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. And I can be one of the content creators that will make videos about tourism, not only here in Bicol region, but also in the whole Philippines. I can be an advocate.
Hello. Do you think the beauty industry can promote diversity and inclusivity? Again, your question. How do you think the beauty industry can promote diversity and inclusivity?
First of all, thank you for that question. A perfect example for the beauty industry is the beauty pageants that we have all across the Philippines and even in the regional parts of the Philippines. And this is a perfect way to promote inclusivity and equality and diversity because candidates who join are of different backgrounds, of different purposes, and of different body types and other things that are related to their advocacies and purposes. And that, I think, or I believe, firmly stand that beauty and diversity equates to equality and inclusivity among all genders, of all types, and of all women. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Mutya number 6.